spark of guidance and direction and hope for a child's future.
ก็ตัวม่วงมีหนวด I don't know, since I've been in the Asher father project, everything's been really positive. You have a different, outlook on certain things, and it's just been real positive lately. You start to think different, and there is hope.
ก็ผมม่วนได้อย่างยัวเชียจอก็ยอมไม่ยัว
Xe của chế xe thì còn nên tí cái tên trả sau đó bé tua cỡ bé tao nó phu chi tao bé tao phu chi bé tua cỡ theo tao giờ để bé chỉ tao phu chi bé trả phu chi rồi bé một cái khó từ là yên chỉ tao.
One of the most important things a father can do is raise his kids to be strong and healthy and happy.
ก็ภาษาเกิดcái dài prom luôn để có cho mình nhỏ.
That's our father project na. Ya le tu sa to na ye jong han ko te to na ye to ka cho how to buy you to come there, how to take care you chen năng thế có thể you cho mình nhỏ. Để có thể bao cho nó năng là do mua tận đây nó.
ก็ภาษาตอเกป้าจอแล้วก็ยอมหยอด
Hmong community benefit from father project. Nó yo ba bé cho tin Heng Hải Hmong nó có sau mua cho khu nhà gì sinh đầu nó đầu tụ na yo ba yo lo coi yo luôn Heng theo yo lo ba yo cho mình nhỏ có mua nhà mua gì nhân tới ba là thì chơi xí khó chơi xí hài theo yo bé cho Hmong yo mua lúc sau cho lo xí đầu cỡ cho nó thì yo rong cho bé cho Hải Hmong yo thằng đấy.
We didn't exactly have anything to begin with. So the changes I've seen is that, that we can at least have a couch to sit on, mostly. We have internet finally, because of the father project, mostly. I guess he's like one of those role models who usually sticks up for me. I care for him, mostly. And I love him.
We want to help develop our community and our children to be strong.
Thì có yo, cứ tụi mình nhỏ.